Now we will see how to rectify a defective mosquito bat. When I switched on the slide switch, the light was glowing. But when I pressed the push to on button, there was no supply to the net. So the mosquito will not be killed. So I started opening the bat. So the cover needs to be removed. All the 6 screws were removed. I removed the cover. Then I checked the voltage, DC voltage across the battery. The supply was present. Even the supply was present near the board, but there was no supply at the output of the push to on button and also no continuity in the push to on button. So the problem was micro switch faulty. The new micro switch showed continuity. So I removed the old one and replaced with the new micro switch. So after fixing the new micro switch, fix the PCB. The screws were tightened. Fix the battery. Close the cover and switched on the slide switch, and when I pressed the push to on button, the supply was present in the net. So the bat started functioning. Thank you.